So today we are going to learn about star topology. Okay, so what is star topology? Okay, at first we are going to learn about a star topology. So there is a hub or the switch which is in between, and star topology is a type of topology in which there is a hub, switch, or something in between. And suppose this is A, okay, and this is B. If we want to send the information from point A to point B, we must pass the information from the hub or the switch. Okay, so without passing the information from hub or switch, we could not be able to pass it from A to B. So for example, if we are in a school and these are student A and student B, then the student and it is teacher, then the student must say that information to teacher before it sends that information to student B. Okay, so for example, this cable breaks. Okay, this cable breaks, then also the topology is still alive because there are other cables as well, no, and this cable breaks. But in a bus topology, what we see is, for example, this is bus topology. If this cable breaks, then the connection is lost. But in here, if many cables also break, the connection is not lost. So the next one is ring topology. In ring topology, there is a thing called token. Okay, so suppose this is point A, and from point A we want to send our information to point B. Okay, so at first what it does is like it gets a token. So in order for it there is only one token in ring topology. In order for it to get the token, it must have open token. So like this token must be open, and it attaches some information to it, or it attaches some data to it. Okay, so some of the data is attached and some of the information is attached. And what it also attaches is like it also attaches the information of the address of B. Okay, so data attached and address is attached. So when the data and the address is attached, this information at first travels to point C. Okay, and the point C sees that there is some data, but it is not sent to like this its address, so it will not take it. So the token will be sent to point D. Okay, so the point D will also see some of the data, but it will also see that the token is the address is not for D, and it will again be sent to B. So because the address is B, so data will be like, so data it will read the data, and again this data will come from this point to this point, and it will get a information like message received. But if one of the wire breaks, then it will be quite difficult for this topology as well. And okay, but here, because there is only one token, so the data traffic is quite low here. Okay, and mesh topology simply means this is a computer. Okay, it is connected to, in mesh topology, one device is connected to all the devices. Okay, so if this is a device, then this device is connected to device A also, device B also, device C also, device D also. So what is the disadvantage in this is, like we need too much cables. Okay, so it is quite expensive. So the disadvantage is we need too much cables, and due to which it is quite expensive. And not only that, because we see that we need many cables, there are some advantages as well. Okay, so for example, if we want to pass something in star topology, we have to pass that from a hub or switch and go to the next device. Okay, but here there is no hub or switch. There is a direct connection between point K and point A, K and B, and K and Z, or K or D. So the information can be transmitted directly. Okay, so mesh topology is kind of that type of topology. And the next is hybrid topology. Before learning hybrid topology, okay, the handwriting is quite bad. Before learning hybrid topology, we need to learn about bus topology. Suppose these are our computers. Okay, these are our computers, and when the computers or the network is connected with using a straight line, then it is said to be as a straight line or a straight wire, then it is said to be as a bus topology. Okay, so whenever two topologies combine, okay, so you can see that this is a star topology. Why the handwriting is so bad? Oh, star topology, and this is a bus topology. Okay, bus topology. So whenever we combine any two topologies, for example, this topology which we are getting, it is the combination of star topology and the bus topology. Okay, so whenever we combine two topologies and we get a new topology, then that is said to be as a hybrid topology. Okay, so here we are using some of the features of star topology. Okay, so we have already learned that from A to from point B, the at first the information will go to the switch or hop, or then this information will go to point B, that is star topology. And in a straight line, when the topology when the devices are connected, then that is bus topology. So hybrid of those topology. So okay, and I think I will I think these are all of the things about topology. And if you like this video, then do like it and subscribe it and comment on it.